Which of the following is present in both plant and animal cells? Answer is mitochondria. Which scientist first observed living microorganisms under a microscope? Answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Which of the following is known as the brain of the cell? Answer is nucleus. Which organelle is chiefly responsible for oxidation of food and release of energy? Answer is mitochondrion. Which of the following structures is absent in bacterial cells? Answer is membrane-bound nucleus. The plasma membrane mainly consists of what? Answer is lipids and proteins. The main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is what? Answer is protein synthesis and transport. Which organelle is abundant in liver cells for detoxification? Answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Which cell organelle stores digestive enzymes? Answer is lysosome. Which organelle helps in the secretion of hormones and enzymes? Answer is Golgi apparatus. The internal framework of a cell is maintained by what? Answer is cytoskeleton. The nucleolus is primarily concerned with the formation of what? Answer is ribosomes. Which organelle is commonly absent in mature sieve tube elements? Answer is nucleus. Which of the following organelles has a single membrane? Answer is lysosome. Which cell organelle is associated with intracellular transport? Answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is the main storage polysaccharide in plant leucoplasts? Answer is starch. Cristae are found in which organelle? Answer is mitochondrion. Which organelle contains enzymes required for cellular digestion? Answer is lysosome. Which of the following is a double membrane-bound organelle? Answer is chloroplast. The movement of substances across the plasma membrane without energy is called what? Answer is passive transport. Which process requires ATP for movement of substances across the cell membrane? Answer is active transport. The diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane is known as what? Answer is osmosis. Shrinkage of the cell due to loss of water in a hypertonic solution is called what? Answer is plasmolysis. Which of the following organelles is absent in mature mammalian red blood cells? Answer is nucleus. Which organelle contains chlorophyll and converts solar energy into chemical energy? Answer is chloroplast. Which scientist proposed that all plants are composed of cells? Answer is Matthias Schleiden. Which scientist proposed that all animals are composed of cells? Answer is Theodor Schwanner. Chromosomes are composed mainly of what? Answer is DNA and protein. The hereditary units located on chromosomes are called what? Answer is genes. Which cell organelle contains chlorophyll arranged in thylakoids? Answer is chloroplast. Grana are stacks of what? Answer is thylakoids. Which type of plastid stores oils and fats? Answer is eleoplast. Protein storage in plant cells is mainly carried out by which plastid? Answer is alluroplast, proteinoplast. The membrane surrounding the vacuole is known as what? Answer is tonoplast. In mature plant cells, the largest organelle is usually what? Answer is vacuole. Which organelle is mainly responsible for synthesis of secretory proteins? Answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly involved in what? Answer is lipid synthesis. Secretory vesicles are mainly formed from where? Answer is Golgi apparatus. Which organelle is responsible for glycosylation and modification of proteins? Answer is Golgi apparatus. Which organelle is called the intracellular digestive system? Answer is lysosome. Autolysis of a cell occurs due to the action of which organelle? Answer is lysosomes. Which organelle is absent in prokaryotic cells? Answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following organelles is found in both plant and animal cells? Answer is Golgi apparatus. The site of cellular respiration is which organelle? Answer is mitochondrion. Which cell organelle has its own DNA and can replicate independently? Answer is mitochondrion. Which organelle is known as the protein factory of the cell? Answer is ribosome. Ribosomes are made up of what? Answer is RNA and proteins. The movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration is called what? Answer is diffusion. Which process helps cells take in solid particles by engulfing them? Answer is phagocytosis. Which process is responsible for the release of secretory products from the cell? Answer is exocytosis.